Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2012 question 14a. This question uses a right-angled triangle first, and then the cosine rule. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The diagram gives us PQ equals 6 centimeters, QR equals 13 centimeters, RS equals 5 centimeters, and angle RSQ is a right angle. We are asked to calculate PS correct to 1 decimal place. From the diagram, points P, Q, and R lie on the same straight line. So the whole length, PR, is made up of PQ plus QR. Since PQ equals 6 centimeters and QR equals 13 centimeters, PR equals 19 centimeters. The plan is simple. First, we use the right-angled triangle QRS to find the angle at R. Then we use PR equals 19 centimeters and apply the cosine rule in triangle PSR to find PS. Let angle QRS equals theta. In triangle QRS, the right angle is at S. With respect to angle theta at R, the adjacent side is RS equals 5, and the hypotenuse is QR equals 13. So we use cosine because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos of theta equals 5 over 13. Cos of theta equals 5 over 13 equals 0.3846. Theta equals cos to the power of minus 1, 0.3846. Theta equals 67.3 degrees. This next point is very important. Since P, Q, and R are on the same straight line, the line RP is in the same direction as the line RQ. So the angle between RP and RS is the same as the angle between RQ and RS. Therefore, angle PRS equals theta equals 67.3 degrees. Now look at triangle PSR. We know PR equals 19 centimeters, SR equals 5 centimeters, and the included angle at R is 67.3 degrees. We need to find the side PS, which is opposite the angle at R. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We use the cosine rule because we know two sides and the included angle, and we want the third side. The side we want is PS. The two known sides are PR and SR, and the included angle is theta. Now substitute the known values. We substitute PR equals 19, SR equals 5, and theta equals 67.3 degrees. Substitute the known side lengths. Length of PS squared equals PR squared plus SR squared minus 2, PR, SR, cos of theta. Substitute the known side lengths. Length of PS squared equals 19 squared plus 5 squared minus 2, 19, 5, cos of 67.3 degrees. Now square 19 and 5. Also, 219.5 equals 190. Since this angle came from cos of theta equals 5 over 13, cos of 67.3 degrees is approximately 0.3846. So, PS squared equals 312.923. Substitute the known side lengths. Length of PS squared equals 19 squared plus 5 squared minus 2, 19. 5. Cos of 67.3 degrees equals 361 plus 25 metasetercinus 190 cos of 67.3 degrees. Cos of 67.3 degrees 0.3846. Now square 19 and 5. Also, 219.5 equals 190. Since this angle came from cos of theta equals 5 over 13, cos of 67.3 degrees is approximately 0.3846. So, PS squared equals 312.923. Length of PS squared equals 312.923. Length of PS equals the square root of 312.923. Length of PS equals 17.69 centimeters. Length of PS 17.7 centimeters. To find PS, take the square root of both sides. This gives PS equals 17.69 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. PS equals 17.7 centimeters. Therefore, the length PS is 17.7 centimeters. To summarize, we first use triangle QRS to find the angle at R. Since P, Q, and R lie on the same straight line, PR equals PQ plus QR equals 19 centimeters. The angle used in triangle PSR is the same as the angle found in triangle QRS. Finally, we applied the cosine rule in triangle PSR and found PS equals 17.7 centimeters. This is the final answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.